Okay, so the body is all prepped to receive the base color, which is a two-stage from gravity colors. Here we have basically a metallic red, and next you paint it with this clear red to give a final pearl metallic red. So what I did this time, because I've already tried this paint or this color, sorry, in another kit, which was the Mitsubishi FTO, and I've only primed and then I've applied the color itself, and it didn't satisfy me too much because it was a bit dull. So what I'm going to do different here is that I primed the body and then I painted all white, so it will liven the color a bit, or so I hope it does. So let's get going, put some color in the car, and we'll see how it ends. So the body is all painted. It's not clear coated yet because I've entered the stage where I need to decide how to use the carbon fiber decals. Well, they give you the option to put them on the roof, the trunk and the bonnet. And honestly, I never liked a car full of carbon fiber parts or stickers or whatever they put in the cars. If the part is all carbon fiber, it's fine by me, but it kinda looks a little bit overdone when there's lots of parts full of carbon fiber. So I decided it was, at least for me, it was plausible to use the carbon fiber roof, but I won't put them in the trunk and in the bonnet because, as I've said, it will look a little bit overdone. So, adding to the carbon fiber roof, I'll also add the carbon fiber decals to the front lip, which in this case I already did. I don't know if you can see, but here on the edge is carbon fiber. And I'll use also the carbon fiber decals for the rear diffuser. And that's it. Because as you can see here on the side skirt, there's this little section which is black. Also here in the A-pillar, and in here in the rear end you have black here, and we'll have the part here in the middle which will also be black. And they don't provide you carbon fiber decals for these parts, so they stay black, and that's why I decided I'm only gonna use the decal for the roof, front lip and rear diffuser. So let's get this carbon fiber roof done, and then we are ready to clear coat the body.